January 22nd, 2021 vocabulary. Directions. Place the X over the puzzle piece that is not equivalent to 60 out of 100 or 60 hundredths. All right, so we have 60 hundredths here. 60 out of 100 or 60 hundredths is going to also equal 0 and 60 hundredths, which is also going to equal 60%. So those are all known facts that we know. So I'm going to check those off. So let's see. 60 out of 100, do we have that anywhere? Not quite. Ooh, what about 6 out of 10? So if I have 6 tenths, and I get that 10 to 100, multiply by 10, multiply the top by 10 now too, and you get 60 out of 100, 60 out of 100. Yes, yes, yes. So that one is good to go. All right, what about, 0 and 60 hundredths? So 0 and 60 hundredths over here, that's good to go. 60%, that's good to go. I don't know about that decimal. Let's try this 3/5. 3 out of 5. Let's get that 5 to 100. You multiply by 20. So now we have to do the same thing to the numerator, times 20. 3 times 20 is 60. 60 out of 100. Yes. So this is 6 out of 100. Not 60 out of 100. So that is actually going to be the incorrect one because that is not 60 out of 100. That's just 6 out of 100. So you can go ahead and place your red X across that puzzle piece. And great job, you guys.